The global nature of shipbuilding offers many opportunities, but few shipbuilders successfully overcome the challenges. To be competitive, your organization will have globally distributed design and engineering teams, projects being completed by different organizations in different parts of the world, single hulls being built at multiple shipyards or multiple hulls for sister ships being built at different shipyards, customers, partners, vendors, and suppliers in different parts of the world, each with their own processes, tools, and standards. Allowing your engineering teams to collaborate freely with each other and other teams and organizations. Ensuring that the training available to your engineers and drafters is efficient and cost-effective for any market. And securely connecting other organizations, departments, tools, and processes to your projects gives you the power to focus on shipbuilding. Explore SSI solutions for shipbuilding's global challenges.